1 million seconds. How long is that really? Is it a few days, a few weeks, or even several months? The answer surprises a lot of people. Take about 3 minutes and find out for yourself. Read the problem carefully and try to solve it on your own first. Then compare your solution with my step-by-step explanation. You may discover that 1 million seconds is much longer than you first expected. Hello, it's great that you are back. Now we will carefully look at the solution to exercise 3. Today it is not only about a simple time conversion. Today it is mainly about prefixes. Prefixes are prefixes placed before units. They are placed always before a unit. In physics, prefixes are used very frequently. They help us to represent very large or very small quantities clearly. First, let us look carefully at the given information. Given are 1.00 megaseconds. Now let us pause briefly. We ask ourselves, what does mega actually mean? Mega is a prefix. This prefix indicates how large a quantity is. Mega means 1 million. In scientific language, we formulate it like this. Mega stands for 10 to the power of 6. 1 megasecond therefore corresponds to 1 million seconds. Now comes an important point. It is about precision. In physics, we describe precision with so-called significant figures. Our number is written in scientific notation. This notation shows us immediately how many digits are significant. Here there are 3 significant figures. That means our result may therefore also have only 3 significant figures at the end. Now we come to the actual conversion. We want to know how many days correspond to this amount of time. At first, the time is given in seconds. Therefore, we must change the unit. For this, we need conversion factors. We proceed step by step. First, we convert seconds into hours. 1 hour has 3,600 seconds. After that, we convert hours into days. 1 day has 24 hours. We write both conversions as fractions. Each of these fractions has the value 1. In this way, we only change the unit, not the numerical value. Now we put everything together. We cancel the units that we no longer need. Then we carry out the calculation. At first, we write down 1 or 2 digits more than will later be allowed. The calculated result is 11.575 days. Since we only have 3 significant figures, we must round. Therefore, we write approximately 11.6 days. Finally, one more note. 1 day corresponds to 86,400 seconds. If you know this, you can shorten the calculation significantly. Then you only need 1 conversion factor. That saves time and calculation work. Very good. That was exercise 3. See you next time.